All right, now the broadcast is starting. All right, let's do the meeting quiz.
Sweet.
First two questions, pretty good.
Yep.
Question 3. The true linear regression equation is y equals something where those two things are unknown. What are the null and alternative hypotheses for, what is it, B1?
Yeah, something like that. I think
It
it's beta.
oh yeah, beta. I think it's the third one.
That's the one I got.
Awesome.
Okay. A residual is the difference between an observed value y and value predicted by the regression line. Is that right?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. Cool.
A plot of residual supports using linear regression when the residuals look normally distributed.
Sweet. Compute the residuals for the data using software. What statement best describes the residuals? The residuals are between 0.40 and 25.
Okay, I had one question about like the residuals. I was trying to find them inside. Which document did you use to find the residuals?
For that,
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna be honest with you right now. I'm just what Troy said.
Okay. I was like so confused. Like this was like the only one I had like major issues on. Like,
Yeah, I was really confused on it as well, so I skipped like kind of this section and just
mhm.
I was gonna come back to it, but like this is where I kind of I don't know.
Yeah,
I get confused really easily
yeah,
and
no
then I give
worries.
up.
Yeah, I was super confused too. I was like, should I just like skip this entire section? But
If only Troy was here.
try. How did he figure this out? Okay.
I, I
Well,
don't know.
anyway, maybe we can ask him in email or something.
Yeah,
All right. Question number 7. Based on the QQ plot for the residuals, what can you say about these residuals? They are fairly normal.
yes.
Yeah, nice.
Sweet. Um Okay, use software to create a scatter plot of the data. Given the scatter plot, residuals plot, and QQ plot, which of the 5 assumptions about linear regression are satisfied by this data? First 3.
Perfect. What is beta 1, the estimate for the slope? It is, I got 12.695.
Yep. Okay. Now construct a 95% interval for B1 or beta 1. Input your answers for the lower bound and upper bound. So lower bound 10.674, upper bound 14.715.
Perfect. Based on the evidence and using level of significance, what decision would you make regarding the hypothesis test for beta 1? Reject the null hypothesis test because p-value is less than a. The third one.
Yeah.
Mm. And question
Okay.
13, because we rejected, then it's the fourth one. Then
Sweet.
we conclude that the slope of the regression line is not 0.
Yeah.
Okay, question 14 goes to you.
Sweet. Well, I guess it didn't save my answers from earlier.
Oh,
I
really?
guess so. I hope that I remember what I said. Um. So that data and stuff. For this data, which variable is the dependent variable? It's the body length, right?
Yes, this is a body length.
Okay. Cool.
Okay. Determine the margin of error for this 95% confidence interval. I just took the upper and the lower and divided by 2, and I got 0.443.
0.443?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, okay. Input the lower bound. And that is, let me see if I can, okay. 7, right?
Yep, perfect. Yeah, pretty much 7.
Sweet.
Okay, and input the upper bound. It's supposed to be 8.103.
Okay. And then based on your lower bound and upper bound from the last two problems, what can you say about beta 1?
We are 95% confident. Oh, we are, yeah, in the confidence interval will contain the true beta 1. It's the first one.
Yay!
Ooh, yeah. We should be good after that.
That was fast.
Yep, seriously. Are you okay with doing the PowerPoint presentation? Is there anything that like you need help on?
I don't think so, because we have all the things on the email. I've just been kind of getting all the data and stuff. That way I can just, a lot of it, I'm just gonna like screenshot like all the like graphs and kind of like the information that we put in and kind of like incorporate that into the slides.
Okay, that'll be
That sounds
good.
okay.
And also, like, what would be really cool is if we got everyone and they, I don't know if you took a picture of yourself while you were doing the,
Yeah, I did.
yeah, that would be really cool to put in. And like
I
if
think,
everyone else did that, just like all 4 of us doing the same thing.
yeah. And I hope, did they do it?
I no idea. I think it'd be a really good task. An email, but we'll
I have.
see if we can do
And then
that.
I'll send it in periodically just so you guys can kind of see.
Okay.
Because, yeah. And then that way you guys can give me suggestions. Because, like, I kind of like using PowerPoint more than the Google Slides one.
Yeah, me too. PowerPoint just like it's easier. Yeah, just stick with PowerPoint.
That's what I grew up with, and that's what I learned at, like, LDSBC.
Yeah,
So,
exactly. And then they were all giving us suggestions like you can use Prezi or other things. I'm like, no, 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 no.
it's just PowerPoint.
There's no point. Just use PowerPoint.
Yeah.
All right. Well, if you, yeah, I will totally like help you if you need it. And yeah, I will talk to you Thursday for the exam in review.
Ooh,
Yay.
yay.
Well,
Last exam, holy crap.
I know, we're almost done.
And we've had a good group. It's been good.
All right. Well, good luck. We'll talk to you Thursday.
Sounds good.
All
All
right.
right, see ya.
Bye.